On the weekend, when you're looking for a great breakfast or brunch dish, I need to have you ask yourself one question. Do you have a muffin pan? Because if you do, you can make my breakfast egg cups and make them in about a half an hour. Now, this includes lots of supermarket shortcuts, and the first is going to be refrigerator pie dough. What you're going to do is you're going to take your muffin tin and you're going to spray each of the little cavities with some non-stick cooking spray. Then you're going to cut your refrigerator pie crust into fourths. So you'll end up with little squares like this. Now, I know this is bigger than the muffin tin, but once you get it inside the cavity, you're going to spread it up the sides of the wall and then just start working it down into the cavity. Being careful not to break it, but if you have to mash it together, just make sure it lips up and over the side, creating a little cavity down inside. If you make a little hole, just press the dough back together. The next thing you're going to do is take some deli ham. Now, I like smoked ham, adds a little extra flavor to this, and you'll take 2 little wafer-thin slices of ham and press it down into each cup. This has all the great flavors and fixins of what you would serve at brunch, except all in one little cup. Now, once the ham is all down, tucked inside its little pocket, then we're going to take a garlic and herb cheese spread. Now, there are lots of different brands in your supermarket. You'll find the one that you like the best, and you're gonna take about a tablespoon of this cheese mixture and pop it down inside. I'm going to give each one a little sprinkling of fresh ground black pepper. And then comes the easy part. Grab your eggs and you're going to crack one into each of the muffin tins. So I'll bring this over. Little secret for you, if you crack your eggs on a flat surface, they'll crack more easily and you won't end up with little chips of eggshell in your eggs. Okay, we've finished the little salt. Now we're going to get these into a 375 degree oven. They'll cook there for about 25 minutes. We'll get those out, garnish them up with some beautiful chives, and you've got a quick and easy breakfast or brunch.